Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with the English language book as we are going to discuss chapter 7 pronouns. So, today we are going to discuss possessive pronoun as yesterday if you remember I we have discussed personal pronouns. So today we are going to discuss possessive pronouns, but before that we are going to revise what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. जो pronoun है वो एक ऐसा word है which takes place of a noun. Okay, so here we are going to look upon the definition of a possessive pronoun. What does it mean by, possessive pronoun? So a possessive pronoun is a word that takes place of, that takes place of someone or something and shows possession. Possessive pronoun again is a word, that takes place of someone or something and shows possession. Possession means belonging. कि ये चीज किसकी है, like this pen is mine. Okay, so a possessive pronoun is a word that takes the place of someone or something and shows possession. Okay, so we can, here is another definition. We can use pronoun, we can use these pronouns to show that something belongs to someone, means ये चीज particular चीज इसकी है, and these pronouns are called possessive pronouns. And here are some of the example of possessive pronoun like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs are all pronouns that show us that something belongs to someone. These are some of the pronouns which shows us something belongs to someone. For example, this pen is mine and this rose are ours. Okay, so in the sentences above, the word mine and ours are pronoun, and they are showing, that something belongs to someone. That pen belongs to, me, and the rose belongs to, us. So this pen is mine and this rose are ours. They are possessive pronouns. And now I am going to take you towards the words, which makes it more clear, which makes it more clear for you, for which we use which word, for whom we will use, which particular word. Like the this girl is reading, the this book is mine. Okay, and the boy is giving the book to this girl, yours. Okay, and the boy is pointing towards the dog, it's. Okay, if we are going to talk about single dog, at that time we are going to use it's. If the dog is going to be more than one, then we are going to use theirs only. So please remember this point. If we are going to talk about single animal, at that time we are going to use only its. And if the animals are going to be more than one, or things are going to be more than one, at that time we are going to use theirs. Next, if we talk about girl, for girl hers is used, and for boy his is used. Okay, and now if we talk about next picture, if something belongs to us, अगर कोई चीज हमारी है, okay, so at that time we are going to use the word ours. Okay, and when you are not involved with that person, and the person are more than one, so at that time we are going to use theirs. This book is or these books are theirs. Okay, so ours and theirs is a difference. Ours, when you are yourself involved, with the second person, and theirs when you are not involved. Here, as you can see in the picture, in the ours both the girls are there. Okay, both the girls are there, but There's, the boy is pointing towards the other two children. Look at the picture carefully. He is not involved with them. Okay, he is not involved with them. He is pointing towards them. So that's why the sentence will be the book belongs, or the book is theirs. Okay, in ours, both the girls are there. ये book हमारी है. Okay, you are also involved, but in theirs you are not involved, and you are talking about more than one person. Okay, so that's why theirs. I want to make the concept of mine, ours, and possessive words, more clear to you. So for that, you have to look at this table. If we are going to talk about I, at that time we have to use word mine. We, ours, or sometime on the place of we there will be us also. This thing belongs to us, this is ours. This thing or this book belongs to us, this is ours. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, its. Their, theirs. Okay, so you have to concentrate on the person of whom we are talking about, whether we are talking about I, whether we are talking about she, whether we are talking about he, whether we are talking about us, whether we are talking about they or them. So we have to keep in mind the table very carefully. Okay, only at that time we will be able to fill the blanks correctly. Okay, so these are very very important thing to remember. Sometimes if we look upon the words, like I, he, she, it, on the place of them, sometimes names would be also there. So you can concentrate on the word. Like if in the place of he, a boy name is there, we will automatically understand we are talking about a boy. And on the place of a girl, if there is a name of a girl, we will automatically understand we are talking about a girl, and we have to use the word hers. Okay, so all of these things we have to keep in mind also. Okay, that if the name is going to be used instead of he, she, or theirs or ours, so at that time also we can make the sentences, or we can fill the blanks correctly. So now I am going to read some, some details on page number 54 of your book. So possessive pronoun all beside ones do not require apostrophe. As you can notice the word ones, there is apostrophe s. Okay, so except this one word, all of the words do not require apostrophe, and here is a list of possessive pronoun: my, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs, whose, one's. Okay, now I am going to read the conversation below to get an idea about how possessive pronouns are used. Amy, is this my cup of water? Leela, no, I don't think so. Amy, whose is it then? Leela, I think it is theirs. Amy, who? Oh, where is mine then? Leela, yours is over there. Now the next one, Amy. Oh, okay. Junaid, here is a picture of my family. Priya, oh, that is nice. Where did you take their picture? Junaid, I take it at Dal Lake. That is our favorite place. Priya, do they have nice boats in Dal Lake? Junaid, yes, their houseboats are very nice. So as you can see here, my cup, theirs, whose it then? I think it is theirs. Mine, yours, my family, their picture, our favorite place, their house. So all these words are showing belonging or possession ki ye cheez kiski hai. Our favorite place, their house. So all of these words are showing possession, all of these words are showing belongings. So next, if I read these sentences, this is my laptop. It is mine. These glasses are mine, not yours. Okay, this is my brother's book, it is his. Okay, my brother's book, it is his. For boy, we have to use his. He offered to swap his camera for hers. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next door. Okay, the house is yours. Okay, next, the ship is there. So as you can see here, they have used the word, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, and my. All of these words are showing, possession only. Okay, that thing belongs to someone, like my laptop, my brother's book, so it is his. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Okay, so all of these words are showing possession. Now look at the examples, which are here in front of you. The ball belongs to my friends, friends, more than one friend, friends की बात हो रही है. It is his or theirs, it is theirs. If we were talking about a single friend, then there was a chance to fill his, but it is theirs, friends. This pen belongs to me, it is mine. Okay, so next three, try to solve by yourself. Uncle Asif gave us, hame, gave us these crayons, they are. And the this bat belongs to my friend Ajay, it is. Okay, and like this you have to solve the fifth one. Okay, so please try to solve these three sentences, and I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding possessive pronouns. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.